solis hortus cardine, adus vetere limitem, Deus superno lumine, nostra salutis tramitem, qui abortu Luciferum, primo produxit tempore, tornacum fecit vesperum, clarum in mundi vespere. Icte coratus in fula, cum vitae sanctimonia, intile auget insula, summi Dei preconia.
What is this? A few shark spinal bones were found. They were used as curtain rings in the monastery.